This is Car Guys Talk with Andrew and Tavarish.
You like cars?
I
Are you a
like
fan?
cars, and I also like the stories attached to them.
What's your favorite car? What makes you tick?
Oh, the question I get at Sheets. So so what's a good car? So, well, what's the best car you've ever driven? And I go, different cars.
But I have a
perform
different question. What's the
jobs.
best
Yeah.
car you've ever driven?
The best car I've ever driven was a Toyota Century down in New Zealand. That is the best car at carring.
Okay.
It is not good at gas mileage. It is not good for repairs. They don't want you to repair that thing. I forget the engine designation of Toyota's V12 that they use.
It's a V12?
Yeah, Toyota made a V12.
What?
Do you not know what the... Okay.
We don't have them here in the United of States America.
No.
So
And also there was a...
So which one did you drive?
let's see. I'd have to go... You'd almost have to like look at the year model.
Sure, but there, I mean, I just looked up to
There are various versions of it. The way the guys... Shout out to the guys from Automation. The Car Tycoon video game.
Car Guys Talk Podcast is not sponsored
Currently.
by Automation, but
Currently not sponsored by Automation, but they are great guys.
But
it is.
yeah.
I really enjoy playing that game. I will be honest.
Good.
They-
I also like games.
The way they describe the Century as it exists in New Zealand is it is a car built in 1979 and never updated visually.
Right.
So you look at one, you don't really know if it's from 81 or 99.
So it's like the G-Wagon.
yes.
The Gwagon.
The
Yeah.
wagon. Please, brother.
Please, brother, may I drive your Gwagon?
You get inside of it, and the interior, again, the style has never been updated, but the buttons slowly change. Like eventually, they put in a multifunction display. The people who buy a Toyota Century are very, very conservative. They like the equivalent Buick Century in the U.S. It's like, I miss Eisenhower. I want everything. What kind? I like a California cheeseburger. Of course, I got
Those are
little
the sock hop going crowd.
Or like spaghetti and meatball dinner at the church. You get a free roll and a pat of butter.
And 2 cans of Pepsi.
So everything that goes into the Toyota Century is all into the driveline and into the amazing woolen seats. They don't do leather. At the high end, the super high end of Japanese style,
They do a cloth. Yeah.
Yeah, they do cloth. I mean, it goes cloth and like maybe leather at some like mid trim, but then when you get up to the high end, it's like the softest wool on the seats. And it's like all gray. And of course, people in the car world know that the best place to sit in the Toyota Century is the rear passenger side. You pull the middle part of the front seat, you put your feet all the way through. Some of them come with a bag inside that seat so you don't have to make the driver smell your feet. This one didn't. You just put it through.
So it's poverty spec?
Yeah, the poverty spec luxury line. It has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Approximate power is, I don't know, like...
So here's what you were talking about. The
Yes.
seat just comes apart.
Okay.
And you can put your feet through, and then the driver has to smell them.
100%, Freddie, you need some lace seat covers in your Lambo.
I think so. I think I'm swayed in that direction.
Can the viewers see what we're looking at?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If you look to the window of the left of that picture, you see there's lace on the windows.
Oh, yes.
They are an option that come with the car, and they are electric. And there's a button you will, instead of having like on your like your Mercedes that has the
Mesh.
the industrial mesh. Oh no, this is lace, and they're curtains, and they come back. And now the one I drove, that was broken. It didn't work, but you could pull it by hand, I guess.
So this is literally just grandma's house on wheels.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. The V12 has 5 mufflers. This guy who I drove, 5, an odd number. I guess.
Why would that? Well, okay. I guess when they merge.
Yeah, I guess there'd be one, and then I forget if it was a single or dual dump out the back. the guy I drove took out 3 of the 5 mufflers. I think just leaving, maybe if it was a dual dump out the back, he just left the back 2. And it was still quiet. There was just nothing.
I'm really liking this. This is I'm guessing this is the new one. Because
It's just like the old one.
it's just like the old one. The seats look like they're out of a 92 Camry.
Yes.
It's
You get into those things and you sink down. But like a progressive shock, you sink. It's soft, soft, soft.
Did you say progressive?
Firm,
That's
firm,
do you know where you are?
firm, firmer.
Firm, and then you die.
You sit in the back. You have your face that just. It's the kind of car that shows up. Do you remember that one?
Are you doing a bit now? It's the kind of car. I feel like we're on. You can just use audio from this and just make a video.
No, I'm flattered. Thank you.
Jeez. Oh yes. Thanks. I hate it.
There was this one anime I remember watching in college in passing. Like I didn't. Great teacher Oni's
GTO.
Yeah. And there was like the weird thing I got because I was an education major, like when the school board came up, it was like the Yakuza coming up.
Yes.
Like that's not how anything works, but okay, it's anime, just go with it. But that's if you see like Yakuza, they would be driving like a Century or similar.
Or just
type.
like any in an anime, anytime like anyone of financial importance
Yeah.
or like a government, it's just the upper echelon. Whenever they show up, they're usually in Centuries.
Men come out of them thing. It's the
Is it like the S class of
stereotype-
Japan? That sort of
Okay.
thing.
Oh, no, it's more like the Rolls Royce.
Rolls Royce.
It's like the Rolls Royce of Japan.
Those things I think were I don't know what billion yen or whatever. It's the equivalent. I think
Is it really expensive?
180,000.
That's
Yeah.
not
Equivalent.
That's not too bad.
No.
That's basically a fully loaded S class.
Okay.
That's like so an S class AMG. Actually, if you wanted to get like an S class Maybach, which would be the top of the line, that's like 220, 230.
okay.
So I think this probably doesn't depreciate as much as a Maybach would. So maybe it's a better value. I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. I guess we'd have to check the secondhand
So
Toyota Century market
when did they
in
start
Japan.
making them? So this is completely
The
new
Century.
to me. Yeah.
I'm gonna.
Have they made them for an entire century?
Oh yeah.
Haha.
The I think. I'm just taking a stab in the dark and say the beginning of Honda's ascent around the time of the Honda CB750. I'm going to say 1977.
Okay.
Is when they started making.
So you
them.
can get these here now.
Oh yeah, the '90s ones. There was a few on Jalopnik, and if you go on Bring a Trailer, there's
Maybe
a few
that
ones
maybe it
from the
makes
90s.
sense to import one.
There's a few already here. I remember somebody sent me a link of someone in the New York City area who did have one, but it was a little bit stanced, bro. A little bit. It's like no.
Ruined.
Also, the
Well, why else would you get a Century
It had
if
like
you didn't?
14-inch wheels, but the rest of it was all sidewall. Like again to
Yeah.
soften everything up.
Right.
The dog is digging at the wall.
Yeah. The dog. She's just making her bed right now. She's about.
Oh, okay.
She's about to lie down.
Aw.
Yeah. She sleeps a lot. So she's like.
Scratch your butt. Scratch your butt. Look at me. Scratch your butt. Scratch your butt.
Just
scratch your butt.
let her do her thing. She's
Okay.
Like, she's yeah. Okay.